I would love.
What I have here is a young woman who, you're a licensed real estate agent, Andrea?
I will tell you this as well.
Don't turn this into an argument, young lady. It's not an argument. I'm simply asking you for your email address. I don't have a mailing list. I'm not going to harass you. I'd like to send a message to the landlords so they understand what it is that I want to do, even though you're telling me it 100% won't happen. I heard every word. May I have your email, please?
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking at some commercial space. Wanted to talk to someone about potentially leasing it. I'm not a salesman or a realtor. I'm looking for my business.
Oh, okay. We don't have anything for lease, only for sale.
My name's Danny. Who's this?
Hi, Danny. This is Andrea.
There's a laundromat there.
It was a restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for sale.
The laundromat or the whole building?
The whole building.
All of it.
The restaurant comes equipped. The laundromat makes $6,000 to $7,000 a month. The house behind it comes with it. It makes $1,000 a month. The parking lot comes with it, and the business, all of the equipment for $1.6 million.
All right. Now,
it is a great deal.
I'm sure.
Shanice, I'll be honest with you. If I could think of an excuse that you would buy, I'd use it.
Can I guess that the operator of said businesses and the owner of the home and the owner of the building is the same entity? So the landlord sort of runs the businesses? Since they're selling them, I have to assume, you can't.
I'm not sure what you're asking me.
The person who owns the building also runs the businesses, operates the businesses. He doesn't have tenants.
Correct.
Yeah. My goal here, Andrea, is to talk lease terms with landlords. I run, operate, own 36 coin laundromats. Sometimes I do own the buildings. Right now, I'm not looking for buildings. I wish you all the luck in the world to sell it, but my interest is in leasing the laundry, putting new equipment in.
They won't do that.
Okay.
You think she hates me?
With a passion.
I'm sorry. I wish that.
No, you don't. You don't have to apologize. What I would just like you to do is talk to them about the possibility.
I'm 100% sure, and let me tell you why. The business was thriving, but it's a family-owned business.
Right.
They can't get along. They publicly played that on the news. They've already turned down $1.3 million. Need I say more?
No, you don't.
So they're not going to
need to say more. You're not family, are you?
No, I'm not. I mean, I consider myself because they're both amazing people. But at the end of the day, I know they're not going to lease the building to you or anyone because they want to. They don't want the other partner to have it. They have turned down $1.3 million, and so they want
you said that.
Or they're not going to. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm just kind of being straight up with you, and I'm allowed to tell you that. So.
Sure. Imagine if they had a thriving laundromat and/or I'm not interested in the restaurant.
They did.
I know how to eat. That's about it. I'm not trying to argue with you. The equipment is aged, so it's very difficult to profit the way that it is. They were
making $7,000 a month. That was pretty profitable, but they're not going to lease it to you. I'm sorry.
Sure. May I have your email address, please?
You want to email me?
Yeah.
And what are you emailing me?
What I'm going to email you is what I'd like you to represent to your seller. I could. I could go.
I'm telling you, they're not going to do it.
I heard you. I could go into my pocket and do 1.6 standing on my head. I own 36 coin cash laundromats in 3 states.
I would love.
What I have here is a young woman who. You're a licensed real estate agent, Andrea? Yes or no? Okay,
and
good.
I will tell you this.
So what I'd like to do is send you an email, and I'd like you to forward it to or read it to the landlords. That's all.
I will tell you this as well.
Don't turn this into an argument, young lady. It's not an argument. I'm simply asking you for your email address. I don't have a mailing list. I'm not going to harass you. I'd like to send a message to the landlords so they understand what it is that I want to do, even though you're telling me it 100% won't happen. I heard every word. May I have your email, please?
Danny, if you want to buy the whole building, one of the partners will run.
What
the
I want to
restaurant.
do is run my one-page email that I will write.
I know, but I'm
by
telling you,
you,
they're not going to take it.
And I heard you.
It's
That's
Shaw
3 times you
Properties
said
at
that.
Realtor.com. That's exactly right. But apparently you're not listening to what I'm telling you.
I heard every word, young lady.
But it's at Realtor.com.
At Realtor.com. Excellent. I'll look for a forward request on my email, so I'm certain that you forwarded it to them. Have a great day. What's funny about that? You don't, okay. She doesn't own businesses. She doesn't understand what's going on. How do you think I handled that woman?
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.